Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 27th, and this is my morning analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the pound dollar and the Asian session made a pretty strong move up. I still think that the higher time frame trend is down. The daily trend is definitely down now that we got a break of structure. I think we're more likely now going to make some sort of a three-wave pullback, probably down to at least a 50% minimum before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend, probably some sort of an ABC Elliot wave correction. But going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we do have some breaks on the 1 hour. I've even if this move up right here is a correction, I would expect it to make some sort of a three-way pattern like this. So if we do see some sort of a three-way pattern, if we do see another lower high, another lower high, another lower high with a nice engulfing move to the downside, then I would definitely take it as a short. I am definitely still looking for shorts. The higher time frame trend is down. 1 hour time frame trend is definitely down. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. This little break of structure we have down here doesn't tell me anything at all, except for this last wave is over. We could just be making a correction to this last wave, like an ABC, and then end up continuing back down later on. So definitely still recommending shorts in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.